Welcome back. In this video, you will discover how to add, update or remove phone number of your Google account by your Android device. Yes, you can add, update or remove phone numbers on your Google account. Phone numbers are used for different reasons. You have control to manage how your numbers are used. Here is one important thing to know. It may take a week before you can use your new phone number to verify it's you for sensitive actions like changing your password. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It will be very inspiring for me. Let's get started. On your Android phone or tablet, open your device's setting app. From the Setting app menu, tap Google. Tap Manage your Google account. At the top, tap Personal Info. Under Contact Info, tap Phone. This is my new Google account. Still, I don't add any phone number here. Let's add a number. Tap Add Now. To continue, first verify it's you. Enter your password. After entering your password, tap Next. Google is asking this password Google will save or not. I want to save this. Tap Save. Add phone number. Enter the number you would like to use. After typing your number, tap Next. To make sure this number is yours, Google will send you a verification code. Tap Get Code. Google has sent me a code. After entering the code, tap Verify. This phone number has been added Google account. It's very easy and simple. If you want to edit this number, tap the right arrow button beside your number. Your number can be used to deliver important notifications, help you to sign in and more. If you want to replace with another number or update your number, tap the pencil button here. From bottom, tap Update Number. Here you can edit your number and type your desired number which you want to update and then select. After this, Google will send you verification code. After entering the code, you can successfully update your number. If you want to delete your Google account number, tap the Delete button. Here a pop-up will come. Removing this phone number might cause the functionality of some Google services to stop working. Other services may continue to use this number. If you want to remove this number, tap Remove Number. After a few steps, you will successfully remove your number. That's all for today. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you could get my upcoming videos. Take care. Have a nice journey with the Tutorial Lab. Thanks for watching.